The Nologo Corporation is a fictional corporation that features prominently in the PBS Kids show, Sesame Street. Similar to the Acme Corporation on Looney Tunes or the Ajax Corporation in Mickey Mouse universe. Most often the Nologo brand is used on real-world products, such as televisions and stereos, to replace the original company logo with a generic and fictional product name, and thus avoid any kind of product placement or perceived endorsement by Children's Television Workshop. For example, Tarah's Nologo notenook computer is actually a MacBook Pro by Apple Incorporated, and the stereo boombox at Hoover's store is actually made by Sony. The generic company name is an ironic pun since the fictional company name Nologo is simply a compounding of the phrase no logo, which describes the function of the brand is replacing and removing logos in brand names.